Hey everyone, welcome back, where we bring you the latest updates on the construction of Barcelona's stadium, Camp Nou. In today's video, we'll dive into the latest news on the possible partial reopening of the stadium for the final matches of the season, and stick around for exclusive uncommented footage of the ongoing progress at Camp Nou. Let's get started. FC Barcelona finds itself in a tricky situation regarding its much-anticipated return to Spotify Camp Nou, as renovation delays have pushed back the move. Initially, the club planned to return from Montjuic by the end of 2024. However, continuous setbacks have forced the timeline to shift repeatedly, raising concerns about the venue for key upcoming matches. In light of the uncertainty, Barcelona is even considering relocating the Clásico against Real Madrid, scheduled for May 11th, to a major European stadium if their home ground remains unavailable. Despite this, Mundo Deportivo reports that construction company Limac has assured the club that Spotify Camp Nou will be ready to host the final two La Liga matches against Real Madrid and Villarreal on May 11th and 18. Additionally, the venue could be available for a potential Champions League semi-final if Barcelona progresses. Following a board meeting yesterday, club sources have indicated that Spotify Camp Nou is currently seen as the only viable option for the final league matches, with an expected capacity of 60,000 spectators in accessible sections. Nonetheless, backup plans have surfaced. Reports suggest the possibility of finishing the season at Montjuic or moving to Estadi Johan Cruyff, where temporary seating could increase the capacity from 6,000 to 15,000 or 17,000. There is also a chance that Barcelona could extend its use of Estadi Olympic Luis companies beyond April 23rd, provided an agreement can be reached to reschedule planned concerts. Despite these challenges, Barcelona remains resolute in its intention to conclude the season at Spotify Camp Nou. Join the largest community for all stadium lovers, Sports Render. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube for unique content about the most famous stadiums in the world. Also, visit our website, sportsrender.com, to read the most interesting articles and discover everything about the magic of stadiums. Follow us now and be part of the global passion for stadiums. Thank you for sticking with us until the end. If you like this video and are passionate about stadiums, subscribe now to our Sports Render channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss our newest videos. Subscribe and become part of our stadium-loving community. See you in the next videos.